Aljaí beríist. Tá hénig is Cailínbeag agus sunnaí ó siúlaid a ríist. Tá lá go bra a ríist ítacha fear. Tá sé Jonan sé an difracht. Jonan sé an difracht. It makes a big or huge difference. An difracht. So A-N with a hyphen or fleshkeen in Gaeilge and difracht. Difracht, difference. D-I-F-I-R-I for those C-H-T. Jonan sé an difracht. So it makes a huge difference, a big difference when the weather is nice. Well, smiling myself more shul. I like going out for walks, for shulaji. Going out for walks. Ach neir ta grana. If it's no stair shot and chakacha. A Tom shot and chakacha. And you know, I didn't get the me shirt. But she get over the kinch. My she get Sunny. Ah, I get a boo boo. When she boo boo or Sunny, she calls Sunny boo boo. Anyway, give him a so Jonan and Jeffrey Norton I'm go bra makes a huge difference. Unlike last weekend, Shafton, Jerry Shafton and Shakacha, we shall over soft ground. Said it made me. Oh, yeah, come on, Mark, Sunny or Margin and Virgin Chin. I just, Nierman and Kylie Burger to Mark, which are row Honda. I was able to bring Sunny out for Friday morning last weekend, just before the storm kind of hit properly, but it wasn't nice. She had a washed a throw, Agus. Is for agus ní bhah sé fellúnach ní bhah sé náireacht chail maiach le Brian. It wouldn't be suitable or safe maybe even with the pram. A bhí chuí an tá set agus tá set nó bhfuil a bhfuiln sa chuí bín a pram sa chuú shoal bagnach, so the pram is almost like a sail almost, you know, so and there's a strong wind, so it wouldn't be safe going out for a walk. Céin ar an stadium bailachán an Virgin, even though it wasn't quite a storm yet. Ach bhí sé fós go done ar Margin híine. It's not my sunny shoulder, so gach and cities top me sunny's not walking in the poop again. In my shoulder time nay fresh, I was walking there yesterday. Ficking car agus capel chief, mar a bit couldn't be fish and shot or pause at a second to one. They came out in Harum. I'll come out and lead eel her sunny. Rachis no vachis. Aquí se mutu nana kill avad we mit in erechi. Stop with a channel mat. Pause. It's kind of a journey east. We are my video just stop it in for a second. Well, the car agus capel sicht. That's just my sunny go mach an more. The must have half of there. Go on do nivin. You had to stop the video there for a few moments. Just guess Sunny would be barking at the horse or whatever. Yeah, go on do. Usually he doesn't. The odd time cowral being near overnight, but not usually. Jada had just all in all, so you're Sunny. Sunny, alert, Sunny. Now be done a mile. Smile as Sunny was stop a numat. As ball as catch a numat ball. Rudikin, she likes stopping every 2 minutes and smelling something for a minute or more. Oh, plane. Sayach aid. Oh, chicken chin. I will zoom. And I'll shout you like I have to see it. Plane. Sayach aid. It's an air oran. And that's an ultra wide. Mr. Sunny on. Mr. Sunny on. This kind of a journey to show the reach. Think it up. That's Sunny on. Macari. There's Sunny. Canard. So plane. Macari. Sayach aid. No, echalan. A sayach. S-O-I-T-H-E-S-E-H. Sayach is a vessel. Vessel. Sayach aid. Air vessel. Air vessel. Sayach aid. So if you just write off outdoor in the sea, that's what they used to call the plane long ago here. Sayach aid. Air vessel. They wouldn't say echalan or plane. Sayach aid. That's sayach aid. Get it in you. That's sayach aid. Chiachtina. Sayach aid. Gemachtina. It's coming. Rain is coming today, it's going today. So that's what they used to hear. That's what they used to say here long ago. I don't think anyone says that anymore really, but just guess most of my English apart from myself now. I go to the Kylie Berg, it's better Sunny. I'm Sunny now lower steer. If Sunny was able to speak Gaelic, he'd say it. If he was, he'd say Sayach. As Kylie Berg and the small girl here, she'd be able to say it better than couple of me better. Tá go leor foclacha, tá seo foclacha, níl is cimid foclacha in sama here. She's loads of words now already. Níl is cimid. Níl a is king mage. Untold many, untold amount. Níl is cimid. Níl a is, which is just níls. Níl is cimid. Níl is cimid. Meaning loads or lots or untold amount. So she's loads of words. Níl is cimid foclacha. Tá mai ceap a go beidir at 3 score foclacha. I think she's around 3 score, 60 or so words, maybe ní smó, beidir ní smó. Sinna tá just give the she sign I've been focla, bit in England, but it's muddy. After a couple of like kind of law fresh, and we're trying to meet you at focla up chin. Not actually linne. So she's with my parents. They mind her when I'm at work for a couple of hours every day, and she might have words. Say words with them that she wouldn't say with me or my wife. And my name's Movan, bitches. But I bet you're going to smooth fuck like you. Ní smooth fuck like you, and that happens, man. She might have more words than we know of. After I lied, after she scored, I think it's around 60 words. That's skriftan that we've written down. No machine. After Jack or Solach and no. Well, that's I 3 o'clock the shop. Sometimes when I'm busy in the shop and she comes up to me, or dealing with lots of customers, and she might say a new word that I never heard before, but I can't then because I'm very busy. And priaklach is a word we use here, meaning when you're under pressure, extremely busy or under pressure even. So sometimes when I get big, large groups of Americans, I'm very under pressure, asking me loads of questions at the same time. If you're kitchen again, I'm kidding. I paid her near she fuck up, she might say a word, and I wouldn't be able to hear it, or I might hear it but I forget it quickly because be my priaklach. But I paid her in smooth chile, Tuilledh, chile, meaning more, extra or more, chile. Like Arvila chili chips. Arvila chili chips. Would you like more chili chips? Chili. Sure, much better when you smooth fuck like that happens to my few. She might have more words than I realise. Nach a log. Even Smilem's the kind of time in this. Smilem's the kind of time. I like this kind of weather. Just I like this kind of weather when the sea is very calm. There's a tune, it's quiet. There's a chedum. As need to roll the enver. And it's not sunny. It's not my fresh, and I like the sun as well, but sometimes when you're out walking, the sun can be going into your eyes or whatever. Sometimes. I do like the sunshine as well. But I like this kind of weather as well. Such a good jazz. Especially in the camera. Especially if I'm recording on the camera, taking photos, or I do a lot of vlogging these days. Imagine a lot of nussinish like what I'm doing now. And sometimes when it's very sunny, it can contrast gun picture. It kind of interferes or kind of creates a kind of a flare or lens flare, or so the picture doesn't come out perfectly well. Whereas like this, it's the same, it's uniform, it comes out better on the camera. The video agus picture machas. Go YouTube, no TikTok, no on social. This is kind of ideal weather really, because it's bright enough, but it's not sunny, and it doesn't cause any lens flares or anything like that. Or stuff to be like, that's why I kept doing when and the lenses. I think if the camera, your phone camera or any camera, if it's got a drone, the grain, if it's going directly into the sun, direct sunlight, it can actually damage the lens. And you might can't if I shouldn't have hold my dinning jar off your hand. I'm not 100% certain about that, but I've heard someone saying that before. So, like, people think, oh yeah, nice and sunny, perfect for wedding photos or that. But I remember talking to a wedding photographer, and he said, no, it's this kind of weather. Kina time sure nish nach just scamalach. Chedem a scamalach. been in Kina Limeshire this far. The picture the whole go vanish. It's this kind of overcast but bright enough weather that's best for wedding photographs there. So that's according to a professional wedding photographer. As line shall I race and took my hand for Jara. As my tug out a camera. Took him hand for Jara. I noticed myself when I'm recording with the camera that there's no lens flare or anything like that. And there's my Togal, taking Togal. You can say taffet, like taffeta, but I don't say that. I would say Togal. The my Togal in the city camera. I'm taking now on the camera. The my Togal. The my Togal Sunny in the Navoon. I'm taking Sunny there doing his number one, doing his pee. Ach Togal. Now boilach apple. That's the feel of the horse. Boile on apple. It's in the tanum to the notch. I saw the Archahoon. We're on Archahoon here. And Paul Vorton over here. And the Sam Kylie Paul. I guess too much done is crow boy. Crow is a word we use here on the islands. Better gonna matter fresh in the but crow means store, shed or store or shed. So there's a crow here. It's called the crow boy. I don't know why it's called the crow boy. There must be a reason. That's gonna fall kinch, coach kinch. Better my all in green cowral. That's that in line the grain. And I say started lekker cloch. Lunro in the cloch. Cowrup in da start rubber boy kinch in the cloch. Cloch ma Kylie. Ja cloch galore cloch at chin. I think too Clay. Ma Kylie. Ja cloch galore cloch at chin. Galore cloch. So Clay. There's lots of stones in the clay, in the wall. Clay is stone wall. But sometimes when the sun is shining, and shall run through scarch in the clocha. Gahars are linely green. You know, when the sun is kind of going down, golden hour, Marjara, and the day being that or boy. It's in a crow boy, chin. Whichever book, yeah, it's in crow boy. That's the yellow crow, the yellow store. Crow is store or shed. It's in the lek, cream the kind of chin. That's the memorial lek, plaque, or how do you say that, Merle? Memorial, I suppose, plaque for those who were lost at sea, being above. So lek cream the kind. And it's my a ghost, the child, my Ilan. Sha Kylie. Ja, het is een gezegd en de sier in de smoor. Dat is een korch. De Lunny solar is de korch. Lunny cheapel is de korch solar camera. Kan je maar een koppel nog maar delen? Kan je maar zeggen dat je carrige fiber? Carrig is rock, like rock out in the sea. Like, well, your carrig can be on land as well. Big rock, like head. Not headstone, Kichanyara Merle. I don't know how you would say that in Ireland. This carrick, like a big stone, like a massive stone, I suppose. You'd find mound of a stone. They just you might get to find Astrachan Girach. Go barrelach a rechi. Been a lunny brachlin. Been a brachlin. So brachlin, that means like I suppose surf. The translation to barrel must to surf brachlin. And chatchich the near, so you get the surf, you get the big waves coming in here. Ni no. But it's a halman as a leishel. So not today because there's low tide and because it's very calm, so there's no surf here. Ach being cominic, but there often is Nino. So carrige fibre, so the carrige fibre much chin. Ta flocha cha, so carrige fibre is gift that. And there's carrige fibre rock at the piper, I suppose. Piper the white's called that. Kasha got a kosher kinch. Ella, teach on that. Get to Jonna. Hey, didn't go turn it in the world. Agus tá couple in a chat a scríb na chu na glucha rud má sin mail Tá go leir daoine óga go háir is nach chulas a chuice temptar in na háte chu seo in the Sayers, so a lot of young local people having the clue what the name of the lots of the places here. You know, nearly every craig, every field, etc. and has a name, and was in a car get fire with a chat. Hey, get to Jonna, get to sunny. I guess that a clocha heart a foot in Chilean. Lots of places on the island. Come with English. And with John in this been with John just like it to us. Hey, kif għadu ċina għal taran, taxin mi vunċi, that's unpolite, unpolite. Yeah, I can't get for you with it. I thought it's in. See it there. Can't get for you with it. Can't close my shop. But you go back with the chin at what you know, right? I think I've said enough. So, one pain, it's sunny. I got a Kylie bug, slung of old.